Hello everyone, this is Sumit, and in the last video we have designed this website, and now in this video we are going to code this website. So let's get started. And if you didn't watch this video, please go and check it out because it's not the best version of the portfolio, but it's better so we can code, right? So we are just starting and let's get started actually. So let's go. So I have created two files over there, one index.html, another is style.css, and one more folder which is assets folder. There is nothing, so first I'm gonna edit the index.html. I will put this mark and it will give a snippet. I will change the title from here, Sumit Thakur, because it is going to be a portfolio website. So let's make the top section here. We can also call this introduction section, and I will give a class name, top section, like this. Yeah. And then first thing that I want to create, I will create two boxes. One should be there and other should be there, right? I mean, all the images should be there and the name like this, it should be there. So I will make a div and one more div, right? Two divs. And in the first div I will make one more div because we have this box, this one, right? Okay, that's it. Then the name, which is going to be inside the h3, I guess. And then this should be a full stack developer, so I will put here full stack developer. I will give a name called intro div. In the next box I will put some images, like image, but we do not have image. So first I will export. I will select all the images from here. I will select all the images. We have images over there, so we have to align these images. Assets, yeah, this one actually. So I think we have to see how it looks, then we can design. It looks like this. We will start from here, top section. First thing I want to do one thing that we should do, that is, by default we have some margins, so we have to remove margins to 0, padding to 0, and one more thing, box sizing, right? I mean, it's a good idea to if you will not define box sizing, border box, it will make the border outside of the box. It will increase the width of the box, but in this case we'll make the border along with the box. I mean, it will take the inside space to make the border. Next thing is this one. I will say width 100% and height 100 vh. Viewport height, we need two boxes. One box should be there, other box should be there, and inside this we will put the things. So I will say display flags, justify content, space between, I guess, or space evenly. It's a better random center. I think we forgot to include this file, so we can say link CSS. Okay, it's introduced. I will copy this and put this here, and then I will say I have two divs inside this box, so I will say div and max width. I will define the max width should be a 50% of that, like this. I have an intro div. Inside the intro div, first I will say the background color should be black, but I will give the opacity 50%. So I just changed the background color, and then I realized that I forgot to turn on the mic, so I'm recording the audio after recording the video for just this part. And here I'm gonna give the class name for title and the subtitle, like so we can change the font size of these. Here I'm gonna give 34 pixel, and for subtitle it should be 18 pixel, so it looks pretty good, I guess, I think. And then we have to edit the images, right? So we are going to give some IDs for these images. So I will say it's font 1, key, font 2, and then laptop, and then man. There we go. And then I will say font 1, and I will say width should be 100 pixel. And after this I realize that this is an ID actually, and I will copy 5 times, because and then I will copy paste the names so we can directly come over there. I have replaced all the names with the IDs, and now here you can see we have to align these images in 2 rows. So I'm putting a break over there, and you can see we are getting 2 rows, right? And now let me adjust some height of that, and I think it's pretty good. So let me put the position relative, because we are going to change some position of some of the images. And for the last image I'm putting right equal to 20 pixel, and actually it is creating problems. So actually it is creating little problem, because we have to make we have to put these into a two separate div, so we can give the maximum width, right? Why I'm doing, you can understand in some time, because we have to align all the images, the upper images and the lower images. So I will say here the display flags, and the flags direction should be a column, obviously it's column, right? And justify content flags end, so it will align to the right side, and right, you can see, but we are getting some space. So let's find out why we are getting this space. And here here you can see the image have no padding and margin, right? So why we are getting this? So if we will go over there, you can see we have extra space. So this is because of we have space evenly. So let me change it to space between, so it will put all the space between two containers. And now we put that, but now what we are going to do, we are going to make these two boxes that we have created. We are going to give minimum width. So why we are going to do that? Actually, it is very helpful. If we want to align center, it will also help to put that in center. But let's do it. So we have these two divs inside image container, and I'm going to put minimum width should be something like 400 pixel. Like this, yeah. And here justify content should be a flags and align item should be a center. Oh sorry, justify content should be space between actually. So now I think everything looks good, just we have to increase the size of this laptop so it will look like this. So let's do it's a laptop is here, and I will say first of all I will increase the size to 140. I guess that's good enough. The position is relative, so I will shift right side to -10 pixel. Actually we have to increase from 10 pixels to 40, and it should be I guess 33, like this. I will also do the same for introduce. Introduce is a class, yeah, it's a class. So position should be relative, it's relative, and then right should be a -50%. I can give this a class name, like intro main div. and then there we go. It's simple, right? Display flags, display flags, justify content center, and width 100%. For the full screen it doesn't look pretty good because we have to increase the size of these things. You can see here, right? Actually, I will just say we have to increase some size from here. So as you can see here, it is not good enough because the size of this is very small related to this, because screen size is this, and you can see what I'm trying to say. So here I'm going to increase the size because we are going to make this for normal screen size like 14, 15 or 16 inches. So let's do it. So now it looks pretty good actually. Now I think we have to increase the size of the laptop. So let's increase this to some 4, I guess. Oh, actually the quality of the image is not good. I think you can download much better than this. There. And top should be -10%. Now actually I think it looks good. If I will see this, that looks good. Yeah. Position related. Actually, position is, I guess. Oh, sorry. So I'm just adjusting this, and I think that looks good, I guess. And I will just do one more thing, that what we want. So you can see it's little tilt, right? It should be a transform, and rotate it should be with Y, and there here we have to define the angle. Yeah, it's Z, it's minus, and it should be 10, I guess. There we go. How is it? Actually, I already used this, you can see. So we have to use this link. We have to put that right over there. So now in this section it's enough. Now in the next video we will create the next section, and in the next video we will create another next section. So the video is going to be like this. So that's enough for this video. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please like, do comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.